If Krita shows the error occurred while writing to the file, don't worry, this usually means Krita can't save because of a permission issue, a blocked folder, or a problem with the file path. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get back to saving your artwork without losing progress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, check your storage. If your drive is full or almost full, Krita may not be able to write the file properly. Open File Explorer and make sure the drive you are saving to has enough free space. If storage is low, delete a few unused files or choose a different drive with more space and try saving again. Next, verify folder permissions. Sometimes the folder itself is preventing Krita from saving. Right-click the folder where you want to save your project, open Properties, and check whether the folder is set to read only or has restricted access. If it is, remove the restriction or choose a different folder that allows full write access. This is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Now, if you're using Windows, the next thing to check is controlled folder access. This security feature can block apps like Krita from writing files in protected locations. To test this, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then open Ransomware Protection. From there, temporarily turn off controlled folder access. After that, go back to Krita and try saving the file again. If it works, you know Windows Security was blocking the save. If the error still appears, try changing the file name completely. Sometimes the issue is caused by special characters, symbols, or a name that the system doesn't like. Instead of using the current file name, save it as something simple and clean. Use only letters and numbers if possible, and avoid characters like slashes, colons, or unusual symbols. Then test the save again. Another very effective fix is to save the file to a local drive instead of cloud storage. If your project is inside a OneDrive folder, Google Drive folder, or any synced cloud location that can sometimes interfere with saving, move the file to a local folder on your desktop or documents folder that is stored directly on your computer, not in the cloud. Then try saving again in Krita. If you've gone through all of these steps, the error occurred while writing to the file should be fixed in most cases. The key is to check storage, folder permissions, Windows security settings, the file name, and the save location. One of those is usually the cause. If you want more quick fixes for common software problems, make sure to subscribe because I post simple tutorials that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please leave a like before you go. I'll see you in the next one.